In this video, I am going to talk about how to make money with CPA marketing. Just check this out. This guy made over $62,910 with CPA marketing on more than 36,000 lead submissions. This guy made $2,121 with CPA marketing. And this guy made $122,470 with CPA marketing using the platform I am going to reveal in a moment. There are thousands of people making money with CPA marketing every single day, and the method that I am going to show you today is available worldwide. So no matter where you live, you can apply this method. This method is 100% free and requires a few hours a day. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications for discovering new online income opportunities daily, as we are talking about how to make money with CPA marketing. So what you need to do, you need to go on the CPA Grip website. CPA Grip is a leading cost per action marketing platform. CPA Grip offers varieties of CPA offers including international email submits, surveys, and mobile pin submissions, and so on. First, you need to register for this account. Here it says, "Are you a new member? Sign up now." To register, you need to enter your first name, last name, and these required fields, then just accept these terms and conditions, and click on register. And if you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. Okay, after login, you will see this kind of interface. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to go to Offer Tools and then click on My Offers. Now, this shows us all the CPA marketing offers from all over the world. But we need to customize these offers. Here, I am selecting the country as United States because they provide high CPA commission. And then category email submission, because it is an easy task to do. Now, this will show us all the offers from the United States, and the task is email submissions. If I open any offer, see, this is basically a $750 PayPal gift card offer. And this is offered as entering for $500 from PayPal, which gives us a $1.37 commission by completing the task. But pay attention here, you will only get paid if the task is completed by the people of the United States. Otherwise, you won't get your commission. And this is your offer promotion link. So, in order to make money from this website, we must promote it in places where the majority of individuals are from the United States and are willing to submit their emails. But now, what you need to do, you need to visit this website called Linktree.com. Most probably, many of you have heard about this website before. Linktree allows you to create a personalized and customizable page that contains all the important links that you want to share or promote with your audience. If you want, you can read from here what is Linktree. So, first and foremost, what you need to do, you need to create a free account here. This is very simple. Just enter your username and email and follow the process, which I know everyone can do. I already have an account, so I am logging into this website using my credentials. After login, you will see this kind of interface, and this is the page that you can customize. Now we want to list some CPA offerings here, and to do so, click the Add New Link button. You can see that you want to add a title here. You'll need to click the pencil icon, copy the offer title, and paste it over here. Similarly, here you must copy this offer URL and paste it over here. In this manner, we add our first offer, and you may measure how many clicks you receive from this offer. I suggest you include a thumbnail. For this, go to the offer page, then right-click on your mouse, and then open this image in the new tab. As you can see, we'll get our thumbnail image. Just download it. Now, from here, click on this thumbnail icon, and then click on the Set Thumbnail, and they will provide you with an option to upload your thumbnail. Just select the downloaded image, and then crop this image accordingly, click on Save, and then Upload. As you can see on this page, our one CPA offer is added. After that, you should come to the CPA Grip website, and this time we will choose another giveaway offer. Now, click the Add New Link button again, copy another CPA offer title, and paste it here. URLs are the same way. As you can see, we've recently added 2 CPA offerings. Following that, you must include at least 5 CPA offers with a high commission rate on each email submission. Once you complete listing your CPA offers, then you want to click here on Appearance. Then it'll take you to this page. And from here you can change your profile image. As I am promoting giveaway offers, that's why I add a giveaway image as a profile picture. You can also add a giveaway type of image, something like this, for better understanding. Then from here, you can change your profile title. You can set your title to something like Best Giveaways 2022. After that, you need to add a bio here. You can write something like this: limited offer. This giveaway is for only 1,000 people, so hurry up and get one. Basically, you need to create an emergency in your bio. From the desktop view, our Linktree now looks like this. However, the smartphone version looks better. So, when someone visits your Linktree page, they will see this. Once you've completed your Linktree profile, we'll need to drive traffic to our Linktree page from the United States. Otherwise, we won't be able to make any money. Don't be concerned. I'll teach you how to drive traffic. But first, if you think you've gotten something valuable, make sure to subscribe. It's free, but you will get new online money-making ideas daily. So to bring thousands of traffic to our Linktree page, we're going to be using a website that has over 1.7 billion monthly visits. And you can see, almost every month it has consistent visitors. And the most important thing is that, from this 1.7 billion visitors, 47.47% are from United States. So it's easy to bring thousands of visitors to our Linktree page. The website's name is reddit.com. So you want to come over to reddit.com. And once you guys come to this website, then at first you want to click this sign up button, and you want to sign up for your account. You can sign up using your Google or Apple account also. And if you have an account already, you can simply log in. After login, you will find this kind of interface. You want to click here to this search bar, and you want to type giveaways, and you can see a lot of communities on Reddit which has thousands of members. You can open these communities, and here, first and foremost, you should read all of their posting rules, because if you break their rules, maybe they will ban you from the communities. After that, you need to click on this join button to join this community first. After joining, simply click on create a post. They offer us two fields here. The first is the title, and the second is the URL. But we should not write any promotional titles here. You need to write a title like this: can these giveaways be real or not? Give me an honest answer. You need to write a title that is discussable, and people can comment on it in the comments section. Then you need to click on this share option, and you will get your Linktree page URL, which you can copy and paste over here and simply post it. You can see here, our post is successfully submitted to this community and already get one upvote. If I click on this link, you can see our Linktree page is open. And if anyone clicks any of these offers and submit their email, we get our commission. So, search here for giveaways and click on the communities page, where you can join almost all of these communities and post as I do. If I click on the post tab, you can see here, every post has a lot of engagement. As you can see, each post receives thousands of upvotes and comments. Reddit's engagement is excellent, which is why I enjoy promoting on Reddit. Now, I show you everything you need to make money from a CPA grip. And the method is 100% free, and you need to require 1 to 2 hours daily to make some extra money online. Obviously, it can't replace your current job, but can add some extra money to your bank account. But if you want to make big money, then you can see this video shown on the screen where I show you how you can make at least $10,000 using YouTube Shorts. That's it for now. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and like this video as well. See you in the next video.